Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you give feedback to Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet application, and after opening the application you will get to see this homepage where you can select this four circled icon into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after tapping into that you just simply have to scroll down to all the way bottom, or you can just simply tap into this user feedback directly from study section. Tap into user feedback, and then first of all you have to select a category. By tapping into this drop down you can see all of the categories that you can select. Just simply select any of the category which is suitable for you, and after that you just simply have to enter your feedback into this section. Just simply write whatever feedback you would like to give to Bitget Wallet, and then tap to this option and enter your contact email. And after entering the contact email, tap to submit button at the bottom. Just simply do that and your feedback will be sent to Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.